Hey there, small property investors, listen up. Today, I'm diving into some super effective property management hacks that will not only keep your tenants happy, but also boost your property value. Sounds good, right? Let's get into it. First things first, proactive maintenance and repairs are a game changer. Imagine this. You have a proactive maintenance program in place. Regularly, scheduled maintenance helps to tackle small issues before they turn into big, expensive problems. It's like giving your property a regular health checkup. This way, you can extend the lifespan of your building systems and avoid those dreaded emergency repairs. Routine inspections are also your best friend. By inspecting major systems like HVAC, plumbing, and electrical regularly, you can catch potential problems early. Think of it as detective work for your property. Plus, it's not just about catching issues, it's about ensuring your property meets safety standards and building codes. And don't forget about timely responses to maintenance requests. When tenants see that their concerns are addressed quickly, they feel valued. Happy tenants mean longer tenancies and lower turnover rates, and it's a win-win. Now, let's talk about tenant relations and communication. Clear communication channels are crucial. Give your tenants an easy way to reach you for questions or maintenance requests. And transparency here builds a positive relationship and prevents misunderstandings. Requesting regular feedback from tenants is another great practice. It shows you care about their living experience and are willing to make improvement. And remember, professional and friendly service goes a long way. Polite and respectful interactions build trust and loyalty, and happy tenants are more likely to refer your property to others. All right, moving on to efficient rent collection and financial management. Automated rent collection is a lifesaver. Setting up online rent payment options makes it convenient for tenants to pay on time. Automated reminders and user-friendly portals help minimize late payments and streamline the collection process. Tracking expenses and budgeting cannot be overlooked. Keeping a detailed record of your expenses allows you to monitor and control costs effectively. Regular budget reviews help identify potential savings and ensure your property remains profitable. And lease enforcement is key. Consistently enforcing lease terms maintains property standards and ensures a safe, enjoyable environment for all tenants. Clear lease terms and policies help minimize conflicts and support effective property management. Let me give you an example. Performing routine inspections to prevent major repairs. Say you create a maintenance checklist for your property. Inspecting HVAC units semi-annually can help detect inefficiencies, leaks, or worn parts early on. This reduces the likelihood of costly breakdowns during peak seasons, saving you money and stress in the long run. So, there you have it. Implementing these property management hacks can significantly boost your property value and keep your tenants happy and satisfied. Remember, proactive maintenance, clear communication, and efficient financial management are the pillars of successful property management. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on property investment and management. So, catch you in the next video.